Dear UJ Library users, today we are going to explore Lin Library, a browser extension designed to enhance your library experience. Welcome to this tutorial on installing and linking Lin Library browser extension to the UJ Library full-text content. A few examples in the end will help you in your Lin Library experience. What are the benefits of Lin Library? Access from anywhere. It helps you seamlessly to access University of Johannesburg full-text resources, regardless of your physical location or the platform you are on. Time saving. Say goodbye to the multiple logins or navigating through various platforms. Lin Library streamlines the process for you. Alerts and notifications. Get notified when you are on a website that the library has a subscription to, ensuring you never miss out on valuable resource. Let's get started. First, let's access the UJ Lin Library LibGuide. Go to the University of Johannesburg Library website www.uj.ac.za/library. Scroll down the page and click on the Lin Library icon. You will be taken to the UJ Library LibGuide. The Lin Library LibGuide provides access to the Lin Library installation page, instructions, videos, and support information. The LibGuide also provides links to the faculty-specific LibGuides, the UJ A to Z databases, and most importantly, the contact of your information librarian for further assistance. Before you start with the Lin Library, please watch the video instructions and guidelines available on the LibGuide. Now, let's walk through the steps to install and link Lin Library to our library's full-text content. Step 1. From the Lin Library LibGuide, click on Lin Library. You will be taken to the Lin Library website. Step 2. Scroll down the Lin Library page to find the icons for the different browser extensions. Follow the simple installation instructions for your browser of choice: Chrome, Firefox, Edge, etc. Please note, you can install the Lin Library browser extension to all available browsers you usually do to perform your searches. Step 3. Set up your library. After the installation is completed, you will be prompted to select your institution or library from the list. Type University of Johannesburg and select. Once the Lin Library is installed, you will find a Lin Library pop-up on your top right of the screen. This means that you can get started with your searching from anywhere. When you land on a page with full-text content available through the UJ Library, Lin Library will notify you. Either the page will be automatically converted to the library full-text based on your earlier login, or click on the Lin Library alert to access the full text and then log in. The login instructions to the UJ Library resources are: for UJ staff, your email and email password; for UJ students, your student number and your ULink password. Please note, most of the UJ Library online databases use Open Athens login. With Lin Library installed and linked to our UJ Library, login sorted out, accessing full-text resources is easy. These are some search tips that you can explore. Option 1. Search directly the UJ Library databases from the library website or the faculty LibGuides. You will get ready full-text content. Option 2. Search your preferred search engine such as Google Scholar. Once you have the result list, click on the title of the document and Lin Library will link you to the possible UJ full-text document. Option 3. Search directly the publisher websites. Once you find an article, the Lean Library will automatically connect you to the full text if available to UJ. Option 4. If you are reading a PDF article and some of the references can be of interest to you, trace the full text by copying either the DOI number or the title of the document into your web browser, and Lean Library will connect you if we do have the full text access. And there you have it, linking Lean Library to our library's full text content. It is a game changer for convenient and efficient access. Enjoy reading without the need for additional logins or redirects. Lean Library takes care of it for you. If you find this video helpful, please like and watch the other UJ Library tutorials. Visit our library website by simply scanning the QR code and explore the wealth of resources that we can offer. Don't forget to contact your librarian if you need help. Happy researching!
The University of Johannesburg. The future reimagined.